With so many incredible opportunities across the globe, there's never been a better time to become an English teacher overseas. So today, I'm showing you how to travel the world, live in amazing countries, and get paid for it. This is your ultimate guide to teaching English abroad in 9 easy steps. Ready? Let's go. First, decide where you want to go. Asia offers high salaries and futuristic cities. Europe has unbeatable culture and easy travel. The Middle East pays top dollar with perks like free housing. Latin America is vibrant and affordable. Think about your priorities and start your research by watching teacher vlogs, checking cost of living and visa requirements. Ask yourself, big city or small town? What food and weather do you want? This is your adventure. Pick a place that excites you. Make your research fun and inspiring. Your journey starts with this choice. Picked your destination? Let's see if you qualify. Most jobs require a bachelor's degree, native-level English, and a TEFL certification. Your degree can be in any subject. It's usually for the work visa. Native speakers from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, or South Africa have the most options. But fluent non-natives can find jobs too. Some countries have strict passport rules, so check for your target country. Ready for the next step? TEFL certification is your global teaching license and key to the best jobs. Schools want trained teachers, so choose an internationally accredited course with at least 120 hours of training. Online, in-person, or hybrid, pick what fits your schedule and budget. For most, a 120-hour online course is perfect. CELTA is the gold standard, but not necessary for most jobs. Don't overthink it, just get a reputable, accredited TEFL. This is the biggest step to making your dream real. Sign up, finish the course, and you're ready to go. Now, let's make you irresistible to schools. Tailor your resume for teaching, even if you've never taught. Highlight mentoring, coaching, or leadership experience. Show adaptability and cultural awareness. Mention travel or language skills. Keep it clean, professional, and include a friendly headshot, especially for Asia. Your cover letter should show your passion for teaching and excitement for their country. Be authentic and enthusiastic. A great resume and cover letter will get you interviews. Okay, so it's time to find your dream job. Start with top job boards like Dave's ESL Cafe Teachaway Gooverseas and ESL Base. Create profiles and browse listings. It's like shopping for a new life. Consider using recruiters. They're free for teachers and help with resumes, interviews, and visas. Trusted agencies include Footprints, Recruiting Reach to Teach, and Teaching Nomad. Don't overlook government programs like JET, Japan, EPIC, Korea, and Auxiliares de Conversación, Spain. These offer great support and benefits. Cast a wide net and apply to multiple places. Your new job is out there. Okay, so you've got an interview? Here's how to crush it. Be ready for questions about working with kids, why you chose their country, and classroom management. Use real examples. Show, don't just tell. Many schools ask for a short demo lesson. Keep it simple, energetic, and fun. Your enthusiasm matters more than perfection. Interview them too. Ask about salary, hours, housing, vacation, and talk to current teachers. Make sure it's a good fit for you. Be confident, friendly, and prepared. Nail the interview and you're almost there. Wow, you're hired. Now tackle the visa process. Your school will send a list of required documents. Degree, background check, passport, photos, contract. Start the background check early. It takes time. Some documents need to be apostilled or authenticated. Follow your school's instructions. Send everything to your school. They'll apply for your visa. Once approved, visit the embassy for your visa sticker. Visa in hand, it's time to plan your move. Book your flight. Some schools cover this, others don't. Arrive a few days early to settle in. If housing is provided, great. If not, get help from your school and other teachers to find a place. Don't sign a lease sight unseen. Use temporary housing first. Pack light. Bring essentials, teaching props, and comfort items. Don't overpack. You can buy most things there. Get ready for takeoff. Your adventure is about to begin. You made it. Now embrace your new life and job. The first weeks are a whirlwind. Learn names, routines, and school culture. Be a sponge. Observe, ask questions, and lean on local teachers. Focus on making students comfortable and excited to learn. Bring energy, play games, and build rapport. Remember, this is a cultural exchange. Learn as much as you teach. Try new foods, explore, and say yes to new experiences. Some days will be tough, but the rewards are huge. You're about to have the adventure of a lifetime. That's it, the 9 steps to teaching English abroad. Take it one step at a time, and you can do this. This is your chance to change your life and see the world. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more adventures. Where would you teach English? Let me know in the comments. Good luck, be safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.